did a ZBrush model last year, 2019, of this knight character. I liked it so much that I wanted to print it, but I thought it'd be cheaper to print it myself rather than getting someone else to do it. I was at the ZBrush Summit in 2019, and Raphael Grassetti did a panel, and he talked about how he was starting to get into 3D printing. He introduced me to a bunch of these cheaper 3D printing machines, like resin printing machines for collectibles and stuff. So it's this guy right here. You get pretty good results with it. It's a resin printer, so you can get the resin from Anycubic, and I got the black one. But anyway, point is, for less than $400 you can get into 3D printing. The build plate is big enough so that if you split your part up into manageable sizes, so like if you're doing a figure, if you split the arms off from the body, or the legs and stuff like that, you can actually get like a good like 1/12th scale figure, I suppose, so about a 6-inch, or even like a foot tall figure, so 1/6 scale. This was the model I did last year. It's of that this knight character that I designed a few years ago, actually. So this is printed resin gray, but each part I painted gray with a Tamiya fine primer. Now, in order to get them this big using that Photon S printer, I had to break them into a bunch of smaller parts. So the leg here up to the knee is one part, the waist and kind of pelvis area is one part. Usually I try and split it up in a natural area where either two pieces of geometry are coming together, so that's where you would split it. There'd be a natural split there anyway. His arms are separate pieces, and his torso is one piece, and the head is a separate piece. Now the base was a lot more parts. The base is obviously too big to fit in my printer, so I had to cut it up in multiple pieces and then join it together. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces there for the base. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's like 12 tree pieces that I put together. Even though it's just a $300 or $400 machine, it's a really great level of detail. Alright, so this is what we're going to do. This is the latest model I have of this German soldier on his BMW R75 motorcycle, looking off into the distance on a muddy road, and I don't think he likes what he sees. Front view, side view, back view. So what we're going to be using, I just have some Zap-A-Gap. I got some kicker. So here's the torso of the guy. I like how this turned out. Here's his STG magazine bags. The head sculpts are always fun to print. Here's his forearm with the binoculars attached. I'll show you one of his boots. This was fun to do with all the mud on it. Waist area. Here's one of the legs. Yeah, let's get started. Okay, there he is. All his gear on. Got his gun. His canister, the Panzerfaust. Not bad. And now we're going to move on to the bike itself. Alright, where do we start with this guy? I think that's looking pretty sweet. Hey, I like that. Not bad at all. The final piece, his arm. I think that is it, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, there he is. Look at this. I didn't count how many pieces there were before, but there were a lot. And now they've all come together. Finished, I guess, Wehrmacht Biker Scout. Some of the details we got here. Number plate. All the mud detail. I really like how that turned out. All the different accessories on his back. And here's the final model. I got some nice pictures of it so we can have a better look. If you want to see more images like this, you can head over to my website or my ArtStation page. There should be some links to that in the description. In the end, this thing's about 11 inches tall. The base is about a foot long, so it has a really nice presence. It came out a little larger than I thought it was going to, but hey, I'm happy with it. If you want to see more stuff like this, go ahead and follow me on Twitch. That's where I live stream this build. Yeah, we'll be doing a lot more over there in the future, I hope. So, thanks again.